wiki.easyvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best folding wagons. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Max Sports Beachcomber is the perfect solution for hauling heavy loads over sand, whether it be toys or a bulky cooler filled with beers and sodas. It also works well on mulch or dirt for when you're working in the garden. It includes built-in mesh cup holders and is simple to clean and maintain. However, it will tip if unevenly loaded. At number 9, a practical stroller alternative, the Hauck mobil is a stylish and fun ride for your most precious cargo. Even when stopped, it's safe thanks to an uncomplicated locking handbrake, while the rubber-cased wheels make for gentle travels. It's equipped with a steel tube frame and a sun and rain canopy, but it is quite large even when collapsed. Coming in at number 8 on our list. As the name implies, the picnic time adventure is just a ticket for lugging food and accessories to an outdoor feast. The zippered pockets are handy for stashing valuables, and a removable fitted cover keeps your stuff protected from pests and inclement weather. It's backed by a lifetime guarantee and has a handle for easy carrying. It comes in dark grey or navy blue. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easyvid.com. Go there now and search for folding wagons, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, when you need a little assistance transporting soil and gravel to distribute around newly transplanted flowers or shrubs, the sunnydaze decor utility is an ideal helper. It includes a sturdy polyester lining, so you don't trail its contents across the yard as you go. It's equipped with robust reinforced axles, and there are several vibrant color options, but it is difficult to put together. Moving up our list to number 6, the easygo 2.0 is a splendid choice for those weekend jaunts to swap meets and art festivals. The collapsible sides make it a cinch to tuck away in the trunk after unloading all the goodies you've collected throughout the day to take home. It comes fully assembled with a long wheelbase for stability. However, it could be sturdier for the cost. Halfway up our list at number 5. If your family enjoys the outdoors, the Timber Ridge trolley is good to have on hand. It's made of high-quality materials that can stand up to heavy use, and the extra-thick tires provide a smooth ride over the trickiest terrain. It includes side pouches for extra storage and a portable carrying bag, but the low handle is not great for tall users. At number 4, with its 5 cubic feet of capacity, the Coleman camp has more than enough space to transport all your gear from the car to your site, or down to the corner store and back. It can hold up to 150 pounds of cargo and weighs around 20 pounds itself. It's equipped with a removable reinforced bottom and shuts like an accordion. However, it doesn't roll well in soft sand. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Radio Flyer Ultimate Easy is a favorite among parents for hauling everything from little ones and their snacks to sporting equipment and groceries. It has 2 comfortable seats with seat belts for safety and a removable UV-treated canopy. It features interior and exterior cup holders and a fabric that wipes clean easily. It folds up effortlessly with one hand. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easyvid.com. Go there now and search for folding wagons, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, designed to take some of the back-breaking pain and strain out of your chores around the yard, the Wonderfold Outdoor has a telescoping swivel shaft handle with springs, so this never hits the ground, and automatically locking front wheels for good control. It boasts a one-step folding feature and is available in sapphire blue or red. It can hold up to 150 pounds. And coming in at number 1 on our list, able to fold to a mere 8 inches thick for convenient storage and portability, the Max Sports DD100 has an adjustable handle that's contoured for comfort. Its extended lower shelf is great when you need a little additional space to stash items that don't fit inside. It's ideal for sporting events and features a very solid frame and a tough, durable fabric. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easyvid.com. Go there now and search for folding wagons, or simply click beneath this video.